Let's make a natural painkiller that has no side effects. We often forget that our medication originally comes from plants. And if we use natural remedies correctly, they are often safer and more effective than what the pharmaceuticals try to sell us. Now it's super easy and super fun. All you need is the opium lettuce plant, Lactuca virosa, a glass jar, and 50% alcohol. And a little time. You might have guessed it, we're talking about making a tincture. So an opium lettuce tincture. And we will leave that preparation sit for at least a month. That's why you need a little time. Now, opium lettuce tincture has analgesic and sedative effects. So you'll probably be using this if you suffer from pain, if you have trouble sleeping, or if you're stressed or have anxiety. To make this tincture, collect the entire plant of opium lettuce. And while collecting it, make sure that you're capturing the latex, because that's the most important part. It has all the beneficial compounds that we want to extract in our tincture. Now I'm placing the plant directly in the jar and chopping it up in little pieces. And I'm doing this because that's the easiest way to make sure that you've got all that latex. Now pour the alcohol up to the top of the jar, making sure that the plant material is under the surface of the alcohol. The easiest way to do this is by placing a little cup on top of the plant material, and when you push the lid, it will squeeze the plant material and the liquid will be totally submerging the plant material. Now this is the part where you have to show a bit of patience. You're going to place your jar in a dark and cool place for about 4 to 6 weeks. So I've been showing a lot of patience. I'm so excited because it's now ready, my tincture. It's been sitting for a little more than a month now, so it's all ready to be used. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to strain the plant material. And there we go. It's so easy, it's all ready to be used. So the dosage is 12 to 24 drops per day maximum. So you're going to want to put it in a little glass dropper. That's the easiest way, in some water, for example. And I remind you, this is great for people who suffer from chronic pain, who suffer from stress, sleep troubles. But of course, it has many other health benefits. It can help with arthritis, poor circulation, and it can even help treat cancer. So this is amazing, and I think everybody should have their own natural painkiller. You see, it's so easy to do. All you need is that plant and you're good to go. So all that is available in nature, so thank you, nature.